We had 207 cases of community transmission in the last 24 hours to 8 p.m, and at least 50 of those were infectious in the community during that time. And obviously that is a number we want to see reduced over the coming weeks. Can I stress that August is the month where all of us should come forward and get vaccinated? It will be a combination of seeing where the case numbers are in a month's time, as well as the rate of vaccination that determines what August 29 looks like. I've been saying for some months that 80% of the adult population vaccinated would get us freedoms beyond no more lockdowns, and that's 10 million jabs. But clearly when we get to 5 million jabs, or when we get to 9.2 million jabs, which is the 70% number, we'll be able to have a bit more freedom, obviously, than what we do today moving forward.
There is an aged care outbreak in the Wyoming nursing home in Summerhill, and sadly there's 18 patients and 2 staff that have been impacted in that facility. The positive patients have been removed from that facility, and a number of, as a precaution, the remainder of residents of that facility are also being removed from hospital. I can confirm that 83% of the patients were vaccinated and 75% of staff at the facility were vaccinated. It is, again, a salient lesson. I urge anyone in aged care to take up vaccination.
One learning we've had in the last 5 weeks is that the vaccinations, both vaccines, are working extremely effectively. We still don't know of anybody in intensive care who's received both doses of the vaccine. Now that is a positive thing. We know the vaccine's working, and we need people to come forward and get vaccinated. In particular, our efforts will be focused this week and next week on businesses, on workers who are working in those local government areas and having to go out of those 8 local government areas in particular. But also people aged between 20 and 40. Unlike the flu with COVID, it's people in their 20s, 30s and 40s that are most mobile, that are between 2 generations or within 3 generations, that are causing both getting the virus and spreading the virus. So it's really important for us to get people aged between that 20 to 40 age group vaccinated as well.